Have you ever made rice paper sushi? It's such a cool shape and so much fun to eat. You can use the same fillings that I am, or choose your favorites. Either way, these are fun to make and so satisfying. For my rice paper sushi, the first thing I'm gonna do is pickle some carrots. I'm dicing some carrots into matchsticks, and then making the brine by combining water with apple cider vinegar, sugar, and salt. Just heat that up, pour it over the carrots, and then set them aside to marinate. Now make your sushi rice by combining cooked short grain white rice with seasoned rice vinegar and agave nectar. Then take a nori sheet and use kitchen scissors to cut it into quarters. Now you're ready to soak a sheet of rice paper in warm water until it softens. Gently transfer that to a cutting board or a clean plate and spread it out, being careful not to tear it. Then add one of the nori pieces that you cut and layer on the rice, using moist fingers to shape it on top of the nori sheet. Then it's toppings time. You can use whatever toppings you like, but for these rolls, I'm sprinkling on sesame seeds and some chopped green onion. Then layering on those pickled carrots and lots of creamy avocado. Now it's time to fold. You're gonna wanna fold the sides over first, and what I recommend is that you just take your time and fold carefully because rice paper tears easily. Also though, if you do get a little tear, it's not the end of the world. Just keep folding. Chances are the tear will end up inside. Once you've folded the sides, fold the top and bottom, and then repeat with the rest of your rice, nori, and fillings. What fillings will you use in your rice paper sushi? I hope that this video answers all of your questions about how to make rice paper sushi. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!